Hello YouTube, DTube, and Steemit. How you guys doing? It's a beautiful day out here, out in where I live, Reno, Nevada, and I'm just here to actually go ahead and talk a little bit more about some crypto and what's going on in the crypto community at this point in time. So there's been quite a lot going on lately. For one, China and actually banning ICOs have been taking its toll on the actual crypto market, and has been causing a lot of fear in the actual traders of the crypto community. Now, with that being said, I don't see what there is to fear. At the end of the day, the best ways I've made money, and from what I've heard in some of the big time traders in crypto, or the long term traders in crypto, is they buy the dip. They always do the exact opposite of what the herd is doing. So if everyone's selling, they're buying. If everyone's buying, they're selling. So in this situation, I really just take advantage of these dips, man. Like, I really just see it as a blowout. So to tell you the truth, that's all I see it as. I see it as a Black Friday, and I take advantage of it like that. So actually, pretty recently, like a couple days ago, 2-3 days ago, actually a crypto, particularly Bitcoin went down on a bear run, which means that the market's actually going down, or the actual Bitcoin stock is going down, or the price of Bitcoin, whatever you want to call it. Basically, bear run, chart's going down. Bull run, chart's going up. Just in case you didn't know what that happens to means. But it was on a bear run, and it managed to go all the way down to like $3,080, something like that. Something remarkable, man. Something really low. So with that being said, it was going down, and everyone was panicking, blah blah blah. Everyone's going crazy, and I'm just over here like, so buy it up, like. I think Ether, man, went down to like 200, like 30 or something like that. 250. I think right now it's like at 250 or something really low, 230, 250, somewhere in the low 2000, somewhere in the low 200s, 2000s, maybe in a couple of years, maybe in a year, 2 years, 3 years. I can see that going up that far, but that happened, and I also read something on James Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan, actually talking head on Bitcoin, man. Talking about how it's a fraudulent investment, a whole bunch of nonsense, man. Just talking this and that and this and that. And bro, if you're feeding into this crap, you're gonna lose, man. All these bear markets and all the market fluctuations that are going down, and all the cryptos that are actually going down, it's all happening in mass numbers. Crypto community is going crazy right now because there's so much speculation on everything because of all the big events that are going on right now. I don't care. At the end of the day, a guy like me has read enough, has learned enough on the actual markets that the real money in this is for the holders. I, myself here, I'm going to be a long time holder. I'm in it for the long run. It doesn't matter. I've lost and I've won, but I've won way more than I've lost. I'll only trade if I feel like there's a substantial gain. I will not, and I refuse to, ever trade a cryptocurrency that is losing at a loss. I refuse to. I'll keep that thing for fucking ever if I need to, man. I'll keep the thing forever. Sorry for the language, excuse my French, but at the end of the day, you want to make the big bucks? hold. Hold. Hold on for dear life. You'll be fine. There's nothing to worry about. And adding to the actual JP Morgan incident, man, dude, sometimes I'm just really illiterate. Adding to the whole JP Morgan incident, what actually did go ahead and happen was, just today I read that this guy bought Bitcoin at the dip. Or if he didn't actually buy Bitcoin, I think what it said is he actually bought into an actual coin that actually tracks Bitcoin. Red-handed. See, the only guy that understands this is John McAfee, man. John McAfee, you're a smart man. I salute to you. This other guy, Mr. James over here, I feel just really selfish. I feel like he's just out here trying to like manipulate these people, having them sell all their crypto just so he could snoop his way in there and buy it at the dip just like he did. So, with that being said, that's all that's been really going on. I've just been holding, man. I've been going hardcore on the IOTA, man. I don't know. I just have a good feeling about IOTA. Right now I have about 1,000. So it's going alright. And right now is a great time to buy some more. I think I read an article on actual IOTA though that said that there was some sort of flaw in the protocol. Honestly, I'm too heavily invested into it and my gut feeling is too damn strong to just go ahead and revert from IOTA. I don't know. I just didn't even take the time to read it. I just love the idea of IOTA and the Tangle Foundation. The actual Tangle opposed to the blockchain. I mean, dude, don't get me wrong, the blockchain's amazing. And all the ICOs that are coming out with proof of stake and all those other wonderful things, like, man, like, so much versatility out here. There's a coin for every person, man, I swear there is. But yeah, I've been invested in that. I've been a little invested in H-share too. My H-share hasn't been doing too hot. I've actually, see, look, and here I am, dude, like, with the rest of you people not thinking that I'm Superman. I've lost a lot on H-share, like, it's ridiculous. I bought at 10, bought at 8, bought at 20, you know. Right now it's at $5, or last time I checked it was at $5 earlier today. But I don't care, I'm not gonna sell it. Remember, guys, you only take a loss when you sell it, when you trade it. So I'm not trading it, so theoretically I haven't even taken a loss. I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna hold it some more, because I know even my worst investment in this is going to end up being extremely profitable in the end, in the long run, of course, and some more than others in the short run. I want to get involved with DigiBuy. I feel like that's really profitable. I feel like it could be very lucrative. But, you know, that's just me. Do your research and, you know, you can think as you may. I'm not pushing you guys to do anything. I'm just out here voicing my opinion. But, yeah, a lot of shady people have been out here trying to besmirch the Bitcoin name. But, there's my fan from my house. But at the end of the day, man, if you're smarter than most of the population, I don't see any reason why you can actually go ahead and profit from this niche. So with that being said, I really hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm going to go ahead and lift some weights. And remember, guys, no matter if the market flips sideways, left or right, I don't want you guys to actually go ahead and sell it. Just keep on holding it and you'll profit eventually.